everyone, welcome to the seventh episode of Markup Unscripted, sponsored by DigiGrad, an online learning platform with great courses and certifications from the world of marketing. Our topic for today is digital marketing, and so we've got a very special panel for you today, all consisting of people who have been handling Markup's digital engagement for the past season. So we have Pratishta, Sneha, Zukruf, and me, Samantak. So, guys, talking about digital marketing, I think you guys would be the best to tell us like what's new in the world of marketing, what's the internet buzzing about.
अभी तो क्या हो रहा है as in everywhere you go, whatever you open, everywhere it is party हो रही है. Just 2 months into 2021 and already three viral marketing moments हो गए हैं. We had our Bernie Sanders on that chair. We had, like I said, this party हो रही है.
Yep.
And the much weirder but just as viral Shweta moment. And that seems to be the whole craze right now. With some moment goes viral and everybody, both content creators as well as brands, hop onto it and start making content. And it's as if you don't do it, you're just missing out on the entire viral train.
Right. That is what social media or digital marketing in general feeds on, right? Your FOMO, your fear of missing out on content, on experiences that your peers are having. So
Yeah, legit. Like almost all the brands are jumping on this. Like ये Pori वाला तो I think so
हमने भी
many
किया
brands
है.
have covered. Normal people have covered. हमने did we? Yeah, we covered as we covered it as well. But yeah, I think that's the whole thing about digital marketing, right? You have to create the content which people want to see, and if people are like they want to live in the moment, they want the current content, something that is already viral, then I guess brands do jump on that, and that's like what's basically digital marketing is all about.
यार तुम लोग है ना ये पौड़ी और ये सब को लेके आ जाते हो लेकिन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग बहुत कुछ होता है लाइक यू जस्ट फोकस ऑन सोशल मीडिया लेकिन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में बहुत है जैसे एसई हो गया पीपीसी हो गया फिर ऐसा छोटा मोटा अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग हो गया ईमेल मार्केटिंग हो गया तो बहुत कुछ होता है यार बस तुम लोग ये वायरल वीडियोस बना लेते हो और ये सब कर लो तो
काफी नर्ड टॉक फ्रॉम जुक्रू अचानक से बट यार फिर तुम ही बता दो फिर क्या है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग.
Digital marketing is just marketing but using the digital platforms. Like if you go on to talk about ranking about a website, so it would be you do SEO, like you do social search engine optimization, and these are the different medias on which you do the marketing. Like if you do marketing on social media, so it's social media marketing.
Right.
You do via email, so it's email marketing, and not just that. Like there is an organic where this SEO and all that
व्हाट्सएप फॉरवर्ड को कौन सी टाइप की मार्केटिंग बोलेंगे जुक्रू.
उसको इंडियन स्टाइल में चिंदी मार्केटिंग बोल सकते हैं.
Yeah, that's spam marketing. But like as much as we would not like to admit it, all of us have indulged in WhatsApp marketing.
It's funny how all our events are basically like across all the colleges. Even if there is such a huge platform from there to compete, उसको WhatsApp पे promote किए बिना like किसी का दिल नहीं बचता, right?
WhatsApp पे सिर्फ promote भी नहीं, you will cannibalize onto somebody else's link and climb onto that and say नहीं हमारा link देखो उनका मत देखो.
यार आजकल तो इवेंट्स भी ऐसे ही होते हैं यार. इवेंट्स कुछ और होंगे लेकिन चलेगा व्हाट्सएप पे ही. तुम लोग लाइक वी हैड एन इवेंट ऑन इन मार्केट ऑफ दैट ऑन एयर. द इवेंट वाज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम लेकिन पूरा हाइप उसका व्हाट्सएप टेलीग्राम सब जगह हो रहा था.
True.
Right, so ये बात भी है ना, like even if your platform is Instagram, but your marketing medium in that case becomes WhatsApp, right? Like you're kind of connecting two platforms.
And that's true. See, even if you're probably a very unrelated company in the sense, the one that I worked at was a purely IT services company, but we still had to continuously build a presence on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook, even if that does not directly come under our target audience as such.
Right. Yeah, which is where content marketing becomes very important, right? So there are a lot of kind of content that brands can create, and people will come to your brand if you're adding some kind of value to them. whatever you can provide them for free. There's a brand that's only telling me about their product and their features. मेरे को नहीं देखना है. Why will I follow them on Instagram to look at their products? But if there's a brand like Zomato that's giving me meme content for free, तो फिर I'll subscribe for that. और उसमें बीच बीच में they can do plugins कि हम लोग food delivery भी करते हैं.
मेरे को पता ही नहीं डंसो करती क्या है, लेकिन मैं डंसो को फॉलो करता हूँ क्योंकि वो अच्छे मीम्स कंटेंट दे रही है मेरे को.
Right, exactly. So, abhi, more than just providing them content, it's shifted to having your customers engage with you also. मतलब you want to create content जो लोग सिर्फ देख नहीं रहे हैं, but they are also responding to it.
Yeah,
Well, so it becomes all about what you can, what they're getting out of you, as compared to what you are selling to them. As similar as those two sound.
एंड में तो कॉटलरी आती है ना, बाइबल ऑफ मार्केटिंग, जहाँ तुम्हारे कस्टमर है उधर जाओ.
राइट. सो चल, कॉटलर मुझे ये नहीं बताता कि प्रैक्टिकली क्या करना चाहिए. राइट. आई कैन गो थ्रू द एंटायर कॉटलर एंड स्टिल नॉट नो व्हाट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग और फॉर दैट मैटर ऑल ऑफ दीज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मार्केटिंग्स आर ऑल अबाउट. So I guess practical experience तो चाहिए ही, right? And I think it's true for us as well, क्योंकि when we took over promotions and engagement and markup, we didn't know a lot of key how to do all of this online.
That's
Yeah,
very
exactly.
correct.
Like just what you know about digital marketing. सेम मेरा भी यही सीन था. मैं कॉलेज में मेरे को पता था कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग होता है, तो लाइक आई यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट विद लाइक सोशल मीडिया, फेसबुक वगैरह. लेकिन मैंने ज्वाइन माय कंपनी फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, मुझे लगा एसईओ कोई ऐसा टेक्निकल टर्म होगा, लोग ऐसे नंबर्स दो तीन इधर उधर कर रहे और रैंक हो जाता होगा. लेकिन बहुत कुछ होता है. लाइक यू डू मैं प्रैक्टिकल ऐसे सब करते रहे तो यू गेट टू नो लाइक ये एसईओ होता है, ये ईमेल मार्केटिंग होता है.
Us, I think on markup, we also get to learn a lot by experimenting with content. कि इस वीक हमने ad analysis डाला, दूसरे वीक we are putting something कि marketing lessons you've learned from Mad Men. Then we put up something to keep up with the moment marketing. And then we see किस पे ज़्यादा likes आ रहे, what kind of content our audience is responding to. And then you just, I think, sort of learn by experimenting.
That is one way to that is one way we learn, and then by trial and error we get to know. And I think Sam is also right. So while we can't get everything out of Kotler, which is why I think so many of us are running after that coveted digital marketing course thing that
Because
we have.
it's in demand, every company is looking for it, and then we know the jargon, but we don't know what technically is going on behind the scenes, right?
Right.
One of our sponsors, DigiGrad, is offering a lot of courses in digital marketing anyway, and plus I did read that they're also offering Harvard-style case studies and live projects along with. So I think it's time to actually upgrade and know more than just the jargons.
Even if you gather all of this knowledge, and even if you know SEO and everything, how to spot that particular thing that consumers or customers are going to be engaged in. You know, like अभी जैसे like you don't know what's going to go viral. अब जैसे अचानक से यशराज मुखाते just he popped out onto the scene and now is going viral like crazy. Right, every brand is trying to plug in, and I think अभी तो उसने Eclairs का भी कुछ ऐड किया है.
I think a lot of it depends on luck as well. Matlab, you keep making your content and some of it gets noticed, something gets picked up by all these marketing pages like MOM, or there is Social Samosa. So that adds on to your traction. So all you can do is, I think, experiment with your content at this point.
Yeah, I do agree that you should experiment with your content. लेकिन ऐसा होता है कि हर चीज लक पे नहीं होती ना. Like not everybody can, या कुछ भी डालते रहो कभी तो वायरल हो जाएगा. तुमने कंटेंट तो बना लिया जो वायरल होने वाला है, लेकिन like it has to be taken to the consumers. तो जैसा भी एडवर्ड्स या तुम फेसबुक एड्स या जो भी तुमको दिख रहे हैं, like you just you know, अभी तुमने डाल दिया कीवर्ड्स के ये मेरे कंटेंट में कीवर्ड्स है, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम मैंने ओपन इंस्टाग्राम, वो मुझे बता देगा कि ये ऐड है, ये कंटेंट तुमको अच्छा लगेगा, यू कैन कंज्यूम इट. सो दिस इज व्हाट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज लाइक, गिविंग द कंटेंट टू द कंज्यूमर्स वेयर दे आर. लाइक they must be on LinkedIn, they must be on Instagram, they must be on Facebook.
Right.
Like they know where your consumer
It's
is.
become so convenient for me. Like pehle when I was shopping, I used to have to go and search for things that I'm looking for. Now if I just type into my Google कि ठीक है socks चाहिए मुझे, and then I can just relax कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मुझे खुद दे देगा कि ये है तुम्हारे पास सॉक्स के ऑप्शंस. इफ आई एम ऑन फेसबुक, इफ आई एम ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, आई ऑलवेज बी सीइंग एड्स जो भी मुझे खरीदना है. So that way it's become very
Exactly.
convenient
Yeah,
for
but
customers
Yeah.
also.
But what is creepy is while you're saying that you have to go to Google and type it out, don't you also feel like many a times you just think it in your head, okay, just
Yes.
oh shit, I needed new socks. All you do is think in your head, and the next thing you know is you're
Right,
getting
right.
sock ads everywhere.
हाँ. See, that is very creepy, but also I do agree कि मतलब maybe the socks ads they existed, but now that you need them, so you've started observing those ads on your feed. I'm pretty sure this happens to all of you also. कि you're talking about something to your friend, maybe over call, or maybe it's just a verbal communication happening someplace in your house. But then somehow you start getting ads related to you, related to that topic on your phone. When मतलब तुमने कभी search नहीं किया है physically, but then you start seeing those ads. That's very
Next
creepy.
person सुन रहा है.
Why exactly? Your phone is always listening to you.
Pretty sure they have already decided that they are going to show Pratishta socks ads after this.
No, that's possible. I'll buy a bunch of
Right.
them.
That saves me a gift, Pratishtha.
Yeah, very off season 2 to be honest. अब तो ठंडी जा रही है.
Yeah.
But yeah, coming back to what we're talking about, how basically there's a lot of hyper targeting happening. Yeah, true, it is making a lot of things convenient because it not only helps us get what we want, but it helps brands push as soon as they get to filter out people who actually are interested and are potential leads, and then push those products onto them so that they can be converted later too.
Anyway, that brings us to the end of this segment. Thank you for tuning into this podcast sponsored by DigiGrad. Follow us on our social media handles as we bring you stories from the world of marketing, and we will see you next